Well, hi there, and welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So, it seems like we're bombarded with information lately about coaches and consultants. Seems everyone is a coach. Well, there's an important role for a coach. I don't want to say that that's not a good thing or can't be a good thing, but I just want to encourage you to be careful. You know, whenever you make an important financial decision or life decision, you go sometimes talk to your trusted friends and family. You really check it out first. Same thing applies here. If you're going to get associated with a coach and pay them your hard-earned money, you really want to check it out. So what can you do? Talk to 2 or 3 real people, real cleaning business owners who did work with them, and really talk to them on the phone and see how it went. Were they successful? Did they like working with them? Were they easy to work with? Did you feel comfortable with the values that coach has? It's just that kind of thing. And if you're uncomfortable that, there's so many coaches online, if a lot of it and they seem very, I don't know if I'd say cheesy, but more glitz and show than substance, then I think you need to trust your gut instinct and really check them out. Because again, it's your hard-earned money, and before you part with it, you want to make sure you can work with somebody that you trust. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.